Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use long division form of division in logic. For example, here I am dividing 9 with 2, I get this division form. And here I divide 13 with 2 and I get this one form. So I will let you know how to use this format of division in your logic document. So I first go to my text document. Okay, you see here I'm using document class article, and you need, in order to do long division, you need to add long division package to your document. So I begin document and here I end document. And in order to add long division, you need to add the command long division, and then you see here it takes two arguments. The first one is for um, numerator, and if I put the same one like I did before, 9, and then the second argument is for denominator and I put 2, so I can write it like this. And now if I build it up the PDF of the document, you see I have included this, but this is the inline. So what I do, I in fact add an enter over here so that it is a separate line, and you see it is over here. Now, if you want to put another one side by side, you can do that by entering and write a quad so that the two are separated. And again, using the same command, long division, and I would like to enter 13 like I did before. And here I would like to enter again 2 so that I could repeat the same thing. And now I build the document, the PDF of the document. You see the two are put side by side. You can increase the separation by, instead of using quad, by using q quad. So I here enter q quad, and the q quad would increase a little longer distance. And if you are still not happy with this separation, you can use the h line separation, h space, and then putting inside the argument of h space, let me add 3 centimeter. And now I build the PDF, so they are far separated. And if you want to put them on the center, you need to put this inside the center command. So I add begin center, and then I add here in center. Now if I build the document, the PDF, now they are put in the center of the page. So this way you can use the long division format in LaTeX. And then don't forget to give me a generous like. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Mixed, press the subscribe button on the video too. Thanks for watching Safi Mixed.